Hi everyone, welcome to another Retro video. I'm Sam and behind the camera is
Calli.
And today we're at the VW Engine Company reviewing the Just Kampers 1900 and 2.1 Waterboxer Stainless Steel Exhaust Kit, which is part number J41207. I had to double check that. So let's get out of the box and have a look and see what we've got. Just Kampers also give you a packet of Haribos with every order.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
That was cool.
I got him. It's fine.
So things that I look for a lot of the time with any kind of exhaust kit, whether it be mild steel or stainless, is the quality of welds. And I've got to be honest, all of these to me look well tigged. Even the bracketry system, welds seem to have gone in quite well, and they've actually dressed the internal pipe as well off. So I suppose any weld splatter or any kind of burrs in there. All the actual bends and flarings, they're good as well. The ends aren't too sharp. I'd always be careful with these anyway because you don't want to cut yourself, but actually they've deburred them pretty well. Something else that is kind of cool is these little preheat sections. Now obviously they run up to your air filter to allow obviously the preheat for the carburetor. See, these aren't going to be as good as the original design where it has a shroud actually around the sort of exhaust pipe. These are going to be better than nothing, and they're going to collect at least a bit of preheat. So even that's quite handy. Obviously you've got like the collector sort of joiner section before the main return back to the actual silencer. All nice bends again, and the welds seem well penetrated. I'll be honest, I think Just Kampers offer one of the best systems for this sort of price range on the market, especially for water boxes. And essentially, you could go original and mild steel if you've got all the bracketry system and some of your existing pipes are okay. If the flanges haven't blown apart, then obviously you can replace sections, they sell them too. But if you've unfortunately got a completely rotten setup like Calli and I do, to me, longevity wise, it only made sense to go stainless. So essentially, let's get this all sort of slightly together, get it all fitted to the engine, and then we'll fit the engine in the vehicle and see how it looks. Okay, so something I just noticed about these band straps is that essentially the bottom hole is just slightly off. Even if I was to pinch that as good as I can, that's still going to be, for me, a bit too tight on the threads. These could be reproduction brackets. I can't remember seeing a stamp on them, so you might find these might fit quite well on an original. So all I'm going to do is literally just file that slightly just to give myself a little bit more breathing room. Okay, so the exhaust is now complete and bolted on, minus the tailpipe. I'm going to take that off when the engine fitting in the vehicle. I'm really happy with how the kit goes together. It's pretty simple. They don't have any instructions, but if you lay the pipes out, you'll figure out near enough quite quickly. The only thing I would say is some of the bolts I might change if you're running the pushrod tube guards, because they might not be long enough, and they can also be a bit finicky as well. So apart from that, and having to file only one of the actual sort of band straps, I think it was a brilliant piece of kit. So I'm really happy that it's now going to be fitted to our vehicle, and then obviously we'll do a sort of install shot, and you can hear it running as well. So we'll go from there and get it in the vehicle. Okay, so all in all, I'm very happy. Thank you to JK for supplying this exhaust. It sounds great, it runs great, looks great, and it fits great. So all in all, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Now, actually, where was I going with that?